So here is some update from the summer view, which was made to us by Bauamt Pankow. So here is how looks our summer. It's 11:20, so it's morning, Monday morning. And this is how looks our summer, thanks to Bauamt Pankow and some concrete persons there. So this is what I have to smell and hear, having my windows open. Yeah, you see, and they're also signaling, of course, because no one is happy because of this bullshit. So, Bauamt Pankow, would you like to remove this idiotic project from our streets, please? Yeah, by the way, bike rider who doesn't realize that this street is not the street for the bikes. Amazing, right? It's pity that mobile phone doesn't share the aroma of this shit.